Hello techies, welcome back. In our last video, we saw how to provision a Linux machine on AWS, okay, and how to make it run. Okay, so now you can see the machine is running. Okay, if you select this machine, you can see there will be a section. You can see the description section. You can see the instance ID of this machine, the instance state it's running, and the type T2 micro, right? So you can see in this site there is a public DNS name, IPv4 public DNS name. This is the DNS name of this machine. Using this DNS name you can connect to the machine. Here the public IP of the machine created. See, it is randomly or dynamically assigned the public IP to the machine. Okay, so every time you shut down this machine and recreate, the IP will be dynamically changed. So whatever available IP is there, so it will be assigned automatically in every restarting of your machine. Okay, now you can see here the private DNS name, private IPs and all. So here the security group section, okay, VPC ID, all informations. You can see your subnet, network, all the key pair name, what is that. So you can give all this, right? Now you can see the status check also. The status you can check it here, okay, monitoring tags and sub informations. So now let's connect to the machine. So the machine is now running. So how you can connect? Just see the public IP, right? Just go copy to the clipboard, just copy the IP, okay, then connect to your, just open your terminal. So I'm using MacBook. So my MacBook, you just press command spacebar, one search option will come, just search for terminal, the terminal, and you can find this terminal is opened. Now let me connect to the machine. So how you will connect the machine using the terminal? Okay, let me maximize it a little bit. So now, okay, let me go to the place where I have saved my key, right? My certificate, findme.pem. If you remember, I had created the security key pair and that I had downloaded and kept it in my desktop, right? But you don't keep it in desktop and open. For this tutorial I'll keep it in desktop. After that I'll delete everything. Okay, so if you're going to use that in your project or for more time, so best to save it in a place where nobody can access it. Secure the certificate file. Okay, so let's start. So let me go my desktop. Okay, so desktop. Okay, so here if you do let's open line, you can see the find me certificate file is there. Okay, so how we'll connect to the Linux machine, right? So we copied the public IP. Here is the public IP. Just copy the public IP. Okay, go to your terminal, use SSH. I think you guys will be familiar with this SSH protocol or this command to connect to the remote Linux machines, Linux or Unix machines. For that, what we need to pass the certificate, right? For that, what I am going to use -i certificate name, sorry, just give the certificate name. Certificate name is findme.pem. Okay, and give the username of the machine. Remember, by default when you create any CentOS machine, okay, for that the username is the CentOS. Admin username will be CentOS @ give IP address of the machine. This is the public IP. Remember, public IP. Okay, now just press enter. So what it asked, if you are connecting the first time to the machine, it is just going to check the authenticity of the host. Are you sure want to continue connecting the machine? So it will add this fingerprint, what of the fingerprint is generated to your known host file, right? Just click yes, enter. So what it says, okay, now what you can see, the findme.pem are too open, so that's why it is not allowing. So if you do, let's open L and see this findme.pem file. If you see the permission, it is completely open to everyone to view the file, view the certificate. That is why this not allowing to command. First it's asking to fix the bad permission. Okay, let me change it by using chmod. You can change the complete permission. The advisable permission is 400, that is only read permission I'm going to give this certificate. Just give the read permission. Now see here, only read permission I have given now. Right, now execute again. Let me clear out the screen. Now execute again using the ssh command when I find pem and the details. Enter. See, this time it connected successfully. Now we are connected to the machine. Okay, so if you do ls-lrt, see nothing is there. pwd, so home machine. So we are into the home folder or root folder, home folder of the machine. Okay, so I connected, the user ID is CentOS, right? If you click on, if you just type who am I, you'll give the who the user is connected, CentOS. So it is the home directory of the CentOS. Now as it is, the CentOS image been created by someone long back, right? First of all, when you connect to the machine, you have to update the OS, update the operating system. Okay, for that actually there is a command called sudo yum. Remember, yum is a package manager and sudo we are going to be super user do. Okay, sudo super user, we are going to be super user, and with the super user we are going to execute the command yum update. Okay, just sudo yum update. So what it will do, it will just keep updating the packages, libraries on the OS. Okay, just give yes and see, keep another yes. So it is updating 24 packages. Okay, so it will take quite some time. If there are something not available also, it can install. You can say it has installed one firmware. Okay, if there is something is there, it can update. If not, then it will install it. So just wait to it finish. See, it's completed now. Okay, now what we can do, so let me clear the screen. Now my I have updated the operating system. Let me install any software. If you want to install whatever you want, you can install it. So let me do sudo yum install -y Nginx. I'm going to just install one Nginx web server. Okay, Nginx is a very powerful web server, application server, and it also acts as a load balancer. So many companies use this as load balancing stuff. Okay, so I'm just going to see it's installing. Give yes, yes. Cool. So now Nginx is installed. So once you install the Nginx server, you have to start the services, right? For that, what you have to do, sudo systemctl start Nginx. Okay, now the Nginx service is started. Now how we can connect to the web server? Okay, how you can access the web server. Before accessing the web server, you have to make sure the HTTP protocol firewall is provided, right? Just go to the firewall section of that, in security group section. So of this machine, just click on the security group. You can see only, okay, just go down and you can see it here, inbound rules. Okay, for inbound rules we have only SSH, that means through SSH protocol only to port number 22 we can connect, but for to other ports we have not given, we have not opened the firewall rule. So you just edit the inbound rules. Okay, now we can add new rule. Okay, so what is the rule type? You can add HTTP. Okay, so if you see, by default it takes port range 80. Okay, after that save the rules. Okay, the CIDR blocks, so this is nothing but the protocol range, sorry, the IP range which you are going to access. So I can give 0 so that it will be publicly accessible to all IPs. Okay, save rule. Now is set for port number 80. Okay, now go to the machines. Okay, copy the IP. Okay, go the browser, type HTTP here and hit it. See, the Nginx server is up and running. So we can see the welcome page to the center. In this way you can connect to the machines and you can install whatever the softwares, applications, or libraries, binaries, whatever you want, you can do. Okay, that's all guys, hope you enjoy my tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, subscribe my channel and like this video. I'll keep posting more technical stuff, more videos, so that you will be get notified. Okay, thanks again.